आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हु इज अ सीईओ। ठीक है, ये
अच्छा
कुछ
अच्छा,
वैसी
ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट
कन्वर्सेशन
ग्रेट
है
ग्रेट
जैसी आप बात कर रहे हैं।
ग्रेट ग्रेट।
So when we are talking about CEO, I'm talking about the chief executive officer. Each one of you is the chief executive officer of your organization. Do you agree? Yes or no? आप प्लीज उसमें चैट में yes no शेयर करें। शिफाली thumbs up, okay. गुड मॉर्निंग सुधा शेट्टी। श्रीविद्या 2 नंबर से डायल की हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग श्रीविद्या।
गुड मॉर्निंग। एक में तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है।
हाँ, तो प्रॉब्लम वो ड्रॉप करो। राइट, so fantastic. Rajiv Shah says yes, Vijay Shah says yes. Fantastic. So let's move on. Okay, so yesterday when I thought about deciphering what a CEO is, I went and looked at the definition of CEO. So I'll just read it out to you. Just get what, let's share what you get out of it. A chief executive officer, or just a chief executive, is the most senior corporate executive or administrative officer in charge of managing an organization, especially an independent legal entity such as a company, non-profit institution, or even some government organizations. The CEO of a company typically reports to the board of directors and is charged with maximizing the value of the entity, which may include maximizing the share price, market share, revenues, or other element. In the non-profit and government sectors, CEOs typically aim at achieving outcomes related to organization's mission, such as reducing poverty, increasing literacy, etc. So now let's spend a couple of minutes on what did you get out of this? So can I have some responses from you, please? Hello.
So since nobody is talking.
Sorry?
Since nobody is talking.
No, it is not since nobody is talking. It is because Shifali is talking.
Oh, acha, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
All right. So what I understand is
so Shifali, you are the most important person on this planet.
True.
All right. So it doesn't have to do whether there is anybody else or not.
All right. Good.
Thank you.
So
please
when
there, yeah.
see, I am also the most important person for my organization.
Absolutely.
Because किसी भी organization को जो इंसान lead करता है, वही direct करता है, वही सब कुछ decide करता है कि आपकी team क्या करेगी. I'll give you a very simple example.
Right.
अगर एक आप रोड पर चल रहे हो और रोड के बीच में एक रोड रोलर चल रहा है,
right.
ना लेफ्ट में जगह है निकलने की, ना राइट में जगह है, और उसके पीछे फरारी है.
Right.
What will happen to the Ferrari? The Ferrari will get frustrated and will leave and change the path. Am I correct? So a
depends on the driver.
Yeah, it depends on the driver, definitely.
Yeah.
But in most of the cases, you cannot keep driving for hours and hours together or months together because there is a road roller. The point that I'm trying to make is that the CEO has to be like a Ferrari or somebody who can change gears depending upon the team that you have. Does your team need improvement? Does it need empowerment? Does it need training? What does it need? And according to that, you change your speed and adjust to it. So you decide. You are the leader. You have to ensure that everything falls in place so that your organization grows, your people grow, your team grow, and everybody benefits, including the society. So again, we talk about sustainability.
Right. Fantastic. So thanks for your contribution, Shifali. So let's hear from some other people. So the fact that you are here on this call, that means one, you are the chief executive of your organization. Second, you are interested in deciphering this one word which drives your life. All right. So let us hear from some more people.
Yeah. Morning,
Good morning, Satya ji.
And everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I heard you and Shafali. It's very good, but my take on the definition per se of CEO is slightly different. It is different than maximizing the value. According to me, CEO of a organization is where the execution buck stops actually, who has the
Okay.
overall responsibility and main KRA
Hmm.
of the CEO should be execution, getting the
Okay.
things done in the organization.
Fantastic.
That is what I thought. And maximizing the value actually it will be the role of the board. The CEO sometime may not be even a member of the board. He may
Okay.
not be even a director.
All
So
right.
the maximizing the value, these share price and all that, that should not be the CEO responsibility as per the definition. But
Okay.
yes, if the chairman of the board is also the CEO, then yes, because the board chairman role will be maximized, then all these things combined. So this your definition, what has been listed here, is when there is a chairman come managing director combined, but that is not normally the CEO.
Fair enough.
All these things are valid when you have a what we call CMD,
Fair.
chairman and managing
I
director.
I got that, Satyaji. Now I've
Yes,
got a very simple question.
yes,
Is the board in any organization an executive board?
yes. Many places, yes, many places it is there. The executive board is there. Like most of the I know about the government. These government PSUs,
Yeah.
the board is actually executive board, though they will have one or two independent directors also.
Okay.
But majority of the board, including the chairman and the CEO in that case, which is called MD there, are executive actually.
And when we have a separate chairman and a separate MD, then what?
Yeah, that is where the if there is a separate chairman and separate MD, then the maximizing the value of the company does not rest with MD. Maximizing the revenues, yes, but not the value or the share price of the company.
So
And
how
that is,
does
of course, my
the
understanding.
no, fair enough. So my question here is, how does the share price jump?
Yeah, there are many things. Revenue is one part of that, and that is very, very important. But then there are more than revenue for the share price, basically. The branding, and that is where role of the
So
CEO
in
comes.
which company does the chairman work on the branding?
Oh, many companies. Sometimes the share price are just in name of chairman itself.
No, no, no. I'm not talking about the share. I'm talking about the brand of the company. Where is it the chairman? He manages the brand.
Oh, that many company that there can be a brand ambassador. Like I can give my example.
Right.
I'm the brand ambassador of my company
If
also. I'm also the
no, no.
chairman.
In your company, you are practically the CEO and the chairman rolled into one.
Not exactly. I have hired a CEO actually.
You may hire a CEO. Does a CEO do all the work? Are you a pure chairman over there?
I'm chairman. I have some executive roles also, like this
Exactly,
finance,
right?
funding.
Exactly. So the moment you have some executive roles, so you are not a
Yes.
pure chairman. This is all what I'm saying. But nonetheless, I got your feedback. So the chief executive officer, his role is to maximize the revenue. Can we say that definitely?
Yes, that of course.
Of
That of
course.
course.
All right.
Yes.
And most of the people here are owners of small companies who
Yes.
don't have a separate chairman and a separate MD and a separate CEO.
Yeah, for them, I think this definition combined one is very
Fantastic.
relevant.
All right, great.
But according to me, theoretically, it is who has the responsibility of execution and what we call P&L kind of thing.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Got it. Anybody else would like to? I think Srividya raised a hand. Srividya, you want to share something? Srividya, you want to share something? Okay. Anybody else would like to add to this definition?
मैं ये समझ रहा हूँ
हाँ जी बताएं.
कि आई एम ऑल इन वन एज ऑन टुडे.
Fair enough.
अभी बोर्ड गिनो हो, सीईओ गिनो, एनीथिंग नो, वो बोलते हैं ना फ्रॉम प्यून टू प्रेसिडेंट.
राइट.
सब कुछ मैं ही हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
और अभी ये भी कुछ दिनों से मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे कस्टमर है, मेरे वेंडर से जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी वाले हैं, बराबर ना, तो दे आर आल्सो हैविंग अ स्टेक इन माय कंपनी बिकॉज़ दे आर इंटरेस्टेड फॉर देयर ओन वेलबीइंग.
Absolutely.
And win-win, no?
Right.
Plus मेरे family member है, my mother, my wife, my both the kids.
Right.
And the society in which I am right now.
Right.
All are having a stake in me. I'm having stake in there.
Absolutely.
So I see the multiple role being played by the person, no?
Absolutely.
He may be chairman, he may be MD, he may be CEO. Correct?
Yeah.
So there is a multifaceted thing is there.
All right. So Vijay, please go on mute. And yes, I got the concern. And let us, so next couple of slides, not couple, a few slides, we will decipher what a CEO is and what a CEO is not. Okay. So let us first start with what a CEO is not. That will help us understand what a CEO is. All right. So the first thing is what a CEO is not. So that will clear some air from where we operate and where we should be operating from. So the CEO is not the sales guy. Okay. The job of the CEO is not to go out and do the sales. Many of us do the sales, but that is not what as a CEO. So I can be wearing different hats. So when I'm wearing the hat of a CEO, I'm not supposed to be a sales guy. Okay. I'm not the finance guy. So I'm not supposed to be looking after the accounts. I may be responsible for the P&L, but I'm not the finance guy. I'm not the operations guy. I'm not supposed to go and see whether the machine is working or not, whether the people are in or not, whether all these things working. Okay. I'm not the HR guy either. I'm not the systems guy also. And most important, as a CEO, you are not the CDO. आप में से anybody would like to take a guess on what is a CDO? Hello?
Chief Digital Officer.
Okay. What else? मजा आएगा गेम में. आगे. Any other options? चाणक्य भाई कुछ बोलो. Anybody else would like to take a guess on what is a CDO? And this is what a CEO is not. And more often than not, this is what we are, all of us, including me.
One man army doing everything on his own.
What is CDO? CDO का full form. आप किसी और सवाल का जवाब दे रहे हो. हाँ जी संजीव जी, आप क्या बता रहे हो?
Chief Development Officer.
Fantastic. Chief Development Officer or Chief Digital Officer. ठीक है जी. Let us see what CDO is. Chief Doing Officer. So Chief Executive Officer is not the Chief Doing Officer of the company.
Chief Destructive Officer.
Actually, so we are the CEOs and we end up being the Chief Destructive Officers. We end up destructing maximum value of the company because we are using the most valuable resource of the company for the smallest jobs. ऑफिस का दरवाजा खोलने के लिए चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर, झाड़ू कटका मारने के लिए चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर, किसी ने वो कोई कस्टमर ढंग से बात नहीं कर रहा, उससे बात करने के लिए चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर, सेल क्लोज करनी है उसके लिए चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर. अमेजिंग है ना? सो कुछ भी काम करना है चीफ डूइंग ऑफिसर. सो माय फ्रेंड्स, the CEO is not the chief doing officer. Do you all agree to this? I mean, you may not be playing that role, but do you agree to this in principle?
Yeah, basically the chief doing officer is basically should be chief operating officer actually.
Whosoever, but not the CEO, right?
The CEO, yeah, that is okay.
Fantastic. Let's move on. Are you in this state? Are you in this state कि अगर वो ये सब नहीं है तो है क्या?
He is heading the team. He is supposed to head the team.
Suppose is a separate story.
He gives the directions to the company.
सर, आपकी कंपनी में आप किसको डायरेक्शन देते हो?
अभी तो मैं अपने आप को डायरेक्ट करता हूँ.
अमेजिंग है ना?
हाँ.
आप अपने बाल काट सकते हो सर के?
बस जो मेरे जो सप्लायर है, मेरे जो वेंडर्स है,
प्लीज गेट इट विजय जी. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि वो डायरेक्ट कर सकता है. किसको डायरेक्ट कर रहा है? राइट? दिस इज व्हाट आई एम.
टीम को.
टीम कहाँ है? आप शून्य को डायरेक्ट करोगे, आपको क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा?
बराबर है.
एंड दिस इज हु ईच वन ऑफ अस इज. हम अगर सीईओ होते तो हमारे पास इतना समय ही नहीं होता कि जी किसी बंदे की टॉक के लिए हम सुबह 9:30 बजे कंप्यूटर को देख रहे हैं. Can you get that? Including me, I would not have that kind of time that I am here to give a lecture to people who are sitting in far-flung places. Now let us look at the next interesting one. देख भाई अतुलपुरी, दिमाग का दही मत कर. ये सुबह ये दिमाग का अल्फा बीटा का लोचा अपने को चाहिए नहीं. Is that right? So now let's get to the interesting piece. So I just shared with you what a CEO is not. Does that bring some clarity to you? Give me a thumbs up or something. Hello. But if I don't get a response, I don't know whether I am reaching across to you or not.
Yes, correct.
Thank you. All right. Now let us look at, if CEO is not all this, then what is a CEO? The CEO is the strategist. As a strategist, he is consistently looking at where to. Which way is the company supposed to go? So like Shefali was saying that you are in a Ferrari and you are behind a road roller on a street where there is no space on the left, no space on the right. At that time, you are looking at where to. Okay, at the first crossing, you would take a detour. Right? You will not continue behind the road roller for life. Let us look at what else is a CEO. He is a futurist. Futurist is somebody who's answering this question, what next? We have already we are already at an excellent quarter, 200% growth over the previous quarter. What next? All right. Or we are in a state where 2 months of the fiscal year have gone and I'm practically at zero. What next? That is the futurist. His job is to see the future, create the future, build the future. Some of you would have heard this term earlier. For some of you, it would be the first time. This is the job of the CEO. This may be a shared...
The CEO...
Yeah.
The CEO designs the vision of the company and share it with the other, so become the vision. So the people or the employee or the partner, whatever we say, the venture, they are also involved to fulfill the intention of the company or the organization. It doesn't remain only the future. It doesn't remain only the vision of the CEO. It becomes the vision of everybody who owns this, no? And takes the accountability to take it.
Awesome, Vijayji. Have you done that for your organization?
Yeah, I'm working on that part.
Since How many years?
Yes.
How many years?
No, donkey years.
Donkey's years, right? So what work are you doing? CDO also has the another term to it. CDO is also the chief donkey officer of the organization. Who can work for donkey's years and keep on doing the donkey work. Wow. Next time I should give this presentation, I will use this term. Chief donkey officer, right? So all of
Rajiv bhai hai kya call pe? Rajiv bhai hai?
Yes, I am there, and my Guruji always tells that you all are donkey.
Gada.
And we keep on proving that Guruji right, that we are chief donkey officers, right? Let us look at the next piece. He is a thinker. What else? Or kya sambhav hai? What else is possible? I am stuck behind a road roller. What else is possible? Right? I could probably park the Ferrari on the side and maybe stop by the next Pani Puri wala and have Pani Puri. That is the best time to have Pani Puri because there's a road roller right ahead of me. Right? Or we may call it a puchka, or we may call it a golgappa. We may call it by any name, but a Pani Puri is a Pani Puri is a Pani Puri, right? A thinker. He is the visualizer. So, Vijayji, you very rightly said. He's the visualizer. And when I'm saying visualizer, I'm not talking about creating the vision of the organization. He is somebody who is able to figure out who fits where in my organization. Which person has the caliber to be the operations head, who can be the finance head, who can be my operations head, any other, right? He is that jeweler. वो एक जौहरी है जो हर हीरे की पहचान रखता है. He is somebody who is able to identify every diamond in his and is able to place it. Do you get that?
Yes, role of every team member.
अतुल,
हाँ जी.
एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है.
बोलिए.
ये आप जो बता रहे हैं वो बढ़िया है. एक दूसरी बात करूं, तो सब लोग इसमें कंप्लीटली इन्वॉल्व हो जाए 100%. आज के जो ये आज का सेमिनार है, टुडे की आज की एक इवेंट है ना, उसका आउटकम क्या होएगा, बराबर ना, वो बताए.
उसका आउटकम सबसे पहले
मोर इन्वॉल्व.
उसका आउटकम सबसे पहली स्लाइड में बताया. अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ा तो आई एम रियली सॉरी. The first slide said discover who the CEO is. Did you get that outcome? Did you get that outcome?
Yeah.
आप उस आउटकम के लिए आए हो या टाइम पास करने आए हो? बताइए.
अभी मैं एक विजुअलाइज कर रहा हूँ.
विजुअलाइज नहीं कर रहा. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू, डिड यू गेट दैट आउटकम इन द बिगिनिंग और नॉट?
हाँ, वो मैं समझा.
नहीं, अगर समझे
उससे मैं थोड़ा उससे मैं
आता ही नहीं.
सर जी, मैं उससे कुछ आगे जा रहा हूँ कि मुझे मेरी कंपनी के लिए सीईओ रखना है.
राइट.
आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द सीईओ.
राइट.
मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि मेरी कंपनी बड़ी है, काफी बड़ा बोर्ड है.
राइट.
बराबर. उसमें से मैंने किसी को एक फॉर बाय वन ऑफ द वर्टिकल.
थोड़ी देर मेरे को कंप्लीट करने दो, उसके बाद में आते हैं.
सॉरी.
ओके.
एग्री.
वो क्या आता है, फेरारी के सामने रोड रोलर आता है तो फेरारी की स्पीड कम होती है. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज ही इज द हब. हब का मतलब समझते क्या होता है?
क्या?
हब इज द ओनली पीस विच इज स्टेशनरी. Let me give you this visually. This is the image of the wheel of a chariot from the Konark temple. In this, the hub is in the center and the entire wheel is moving around the hub. Do you get that? So as a CEO, you are the one who is stationary, who is not mobile, who does not move, come sun, come rain, come whatsoever. Are you being that one person? Are you being that one distinction? I'm not saying person.
Atul, can you give an example of a person in the current situation who's like that?
So coming back to this, what do you understand when I say the hub?
You're asking me?
Yes, I'm asking you.
The hub is the CEO, the owner of the organization.
So can you give me an example of this? In your organization, whom does the organization revolve around?
No, I'm asking in the reality, in the real world.
In the reality, in your organization, whom does the organization revolve around?
Me. But I'm not like you said that the CEO has to be not mobile, right?
So mobile, I'm not talking physically. I'm talking about in terms of principles.
In terms of?
Principles. So let me give you some examples.
Yeah.
Ratan Tata. Today he is in automobiles, he is into steel, he is into services, he is into hospitality, he is into many businesses. If every week he says that this week we will not be in hospitality and we will be into maybe logistics, and the third day he starts something else, do you think his organization will be able to go in any direction?
Then how is he managing all different things? He is doing it diversified, right?
So do you see the various spokes of this business? This
various?
Do you see the various spokes of this wheel?
You're asking the various...
I'm saying, refer to this image which is there in front of you.
Okay.
Do you see the various spokes of this wheel?
Yes, yes.
For Ratan Tata, each company is a spoke.
Yes, yes.
So Tata Steel, Tata Consultancy, Tata Motors, Tata Locomotives, Tisco, all of them are different companies and different spokes of his one business.
Yeah, you're correct.
He is Tata Sons. He is not Tata XYZ.
Okay.
Right? So that is how he is the hub. Or we look at, say, Anand Mahindra. Anand Mahindra again has multiple companies. There is one office which manages the entire organization. And that organization does not change its statement every day. Make sense?
So what is the role of CEO in case of Ratan Tata, right?
Yeah.
You said if he says one work, different works for each employee every day, then it will not move forward, you said, right?
So he has to be clear of that one thing which that organization is going to do.
Okay. No, you gave a factor for the CEO, right? That is, they
Yes.
have to be immobile.
I never said immobile.
Okay, then what was it? Sorry.
Stationary.
Yeah, stationary.
Okay, let me give you the example of stationary.
Rizwana, here the stationary means that he is the permanent leader of the company.
No, so let me give you the example of stationary. Do you know sun?
Yes.
Sun is stationary.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Yes, yes.
So if you are like sun, then the entire constellation, all the planets, all of them revolve around you.
Start revolving around.
If the sun itself starts revolving, do you think the constellation would be in place?
I got that point. Can you just relate that to a human example? CEO.
Ratan Tata is human being. Anand Mahindra is human being.
Yes, yes. How is Ratan Tata stationary is what I'm not able to understand.
Does he bring different? Okay, let us take at Narendra Modi.
Okay.
When he's running a country of 1.3 billion people.
Yes, yes.
Every day, today he says that we will be in manufacturing. Tomorrow he says something else. Day after tomorrow he says something else. Do you think as a country we will be able to progress?
No.
Does that give you why the person in this place should be stationary or should be grounded into something?
Okay, I'm just asking you, what are the grounded
so
things?
We'll come to this after some time. Okay, so we can get into this conversation. What you've got to figure out is, if this person is not stationary, what will happen to the organization? Entire organization will crumble. Right? Let's move to the next one. He is the charioteer. Do you understand the meaning of the word charioteer?
Yeah, the one who controls the horse.
Absolutely. He is a know all hands tied. Let me explain that. Who's the charioteer here? Who is the charioteer here?
Krishna.
Krishna. Oh. So just get this. Krishna was somebody who was hands tied, no all hands tied. This is the role of the CEO. So don't get tied to the word CEO. He may be called a managing director. He may be called the chairman. He's somebody who's steering that organization. Okay. Now, in this scenario, he knows everything. He can very well be the best salesperson of the organization. He can very well be the best operations guy of the organization. He can very well be the best finance guy of the organization. He can very well be the chief digital officer of the organization. He can very well be the chief donkey officer of the organization. The challenge is, if he gets into any of those, then other areas of the organization, they get exposed. And the organization does not move forward. So what he does is that he has those kind of conversations which take the organization forward. He is the one who controls the horses. Not only the horses, also the sharpshooter. He also controls the Arjuna. Arjun says that I don't want to fight. Okay. Ratan Tata's executives say that we cannot increase our sales. We cannot go to the next shore. We cannot move to the next country. We cannot get into another business. At that point in time, he shows his larger vision, his larger everything. And then he gets his organization aligned to go for the attack. Does that make sense? And all this he does without picking up a bow or an arrow. So it says, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirabhavati bharata abhyuttanava dharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. Whenever this organization will be in danger, I will be the one who will be watching your back. This is who the chief officer is. You may call yourself by any name. Unless you are this, your organization is not moving as fast as you want it to move. Does this make sense? Hello? Hello? Knock, knock.
Yeah. Yes, yes, we are there.
So now can we have some conversation on this, please? Do you think this is something valuable for your organization?
So in initial stage, how to come out of this situation? Means, initial stage, I am the CEO, I am the sales guy, I am the all roles are done by me. That is donkey.
Right. Still being the donkey, you are the visualizer, right?
Yeah.
It is your role to have that plan laid out. That for which roles are you looking for people? Is that applicable in the initial days?
Yes, from beginning only.
So does this answer your question?
Yes. That is why I am into now creating team, because I know only one, I cannot do everything.
So for how many years have you been into this mode?
This till now, since last 12 years, I am in this Chanakya's project.
Awesome. So in 12 years, if you are not able to create a team, do you think you will ever be able to?
So now I have changed my Ferrari to different car. So I have now created different company, different team, and now I know with this team I cannot go forward. So now I have selected new team.
So a bad something quarrels with his tools. A bad workman quarrels with his tools. A bad workman quarrels with his tools.
Bad work. I'm not getting your.
And so anybody can explain what does this mean?
Yeah.
मेरी अंग्रेजी थोड़ी कमजोर है इसलिए.
No, this Atul ji, I think what you mean to communicate is that is basically if you don't know the job, you will be blaming the tools.
Awesome.
Like हिंदी में नाच ना जाने आंगन टेढ़ा.
Awesome. सत्या जी आप तो एकदम सीधा मार देते हो. Right? So you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
See, the team is never bad. No person on this planet is bad. No person on this planet is not good enough.
Yes.
It is just my inability to make use of those resources. So when you are saying you are planning to change your team, you have already invested time, energy and money into them.
No. Yeah, मैंने आपको मैं समझा नहीं पाया. एक टीम है जिसके साथ मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट खड़ा किया.
मुझे समझना भी नहीं है.
I got your point.
मुझे समझना भी नहीं है. Just you were the one who said one statement. I'm changing the team. I'm saying if you are changing the team, it is as good as a bad workman quarreling with his tools.
Yes.
And how do I know this? Would anybody like to know the answer to this? How do I know this?
Atul, I have a view, if you don't mind.
Yes, please.
You know what he's saying, that he wants to change his team or whatever. The only thing probably that is required is better communication of what is expected and what they are doing. He might be a good leader. Anybody could be a good leader. But communication gap jo hai, the research says the biggest problem arises when there is a communication gap between the person who wants you to do something and the executor. Once that gap is removed, it is very likely that problem will get resolved. That's
awesome.
it. I just wanted to share my view. Yeah.
Awesome. Very good.
Yeah.
Now, who is the owner of that communication?
The source, the doer.
Amazing. So now, if my communication is not appropriate and I'm talking about changing the team, do you think I will get the results?
No.
The new team will have the same problem, Atul.
Awesome. I love you for this.
Actually,
and how do I know this? My question is, how do I know this? पूछो, कोई तो मुझसे पूछो, how do you know this?
Because you have worked with so many MSMEs.
Because I am a bad worksman. I do this every day. I take the happiness of my team every day.
I agree. Vijay ji will super agree with me. Hey, Vijay ji?
So yes.
Every time I have this kind of presentation, I get 2 or 3 messages. Gadadhari Bhim, Shant Gadadhari Bhim. All right. So though I am laughing it out, guys, please get it. The source of our success is in our communication. Our communication is the source of creating things, and it is also the source of destructing things. Right?
Yes.
Anything else what you got? Satya ji says at 10:30. So Satya ji, my job is already done. Okay. See, this I thought this was something which was very important. Okay.
Atul,
each one of us.
I think there is one, along with communication, there is one more challenge.
Batai?
That is expectation versus reality.
Okay.
When the doer, the leader, is expecting something from the team, but the team is not prepared.
So do you have children? So good question. Do you have children?
Yes.
Okay. Even when they were not able to speak,
yes,
they expected you to feed them.
Absolutely.
And how did they communicate?
They started communicating effectively.
Awesome. So even a child who is not able to speak, he knows how to get his mother to feed him or her.
Yeah. Yes, but Atul,
that is the power. So when you have those expectations and you don't put those expectations right, you will not get the results.
But कुछ late learners होते हैं ना अतुल, जिनको special support चाहिए होता है. That is where training comes in and upskilling comes in, है ना?
All that is fine. Who is the source?
Source is the doer, the leader, the CEO.
Amazing, right?
Yeah.
वो अगर 12 साल तक अपनी गेम पर काम करता रहेगा और फिर कहेगा मुझे टीम बदलनी है, 12 years is hell lot of a time, right? एक एवरेज आदमी जो है 40 से 45 साल उसके वर्किंग ईयर्स होते हैं आज की डेट में। उसमें से अगर आपने 12 साल सोचने में लगा दिए तो 25% ऑफ योर एक्टिव ईयर्स यू हैव वाइल्ड अवे।
यस,
तो धंधा कब करोगे मेरी जान?
हाँ।
I think probably he was not meaning the team. One or two people he wanted to change.
No. I'm not talking about him. I'm talking of each one of us. मेरा भी वही हाल है। मैंने 20 और 26 साल लगा दिए सोचने में, 20 साल नौकरी करने में, चाकरी करने में लोगों की, और उसके बाद 6 साल सोचने में। कैन यू गेट दैट? अगर ये मैंने सन 1996 में शुरू किया होता, life would have been very different, isn't it?
हेलो अतुल।
हाँ जी।
मेरा कहना ये है,
हाँ जी बताएं,
कि let's have the enabling and the empowering tone of the conversation,
हाँ,
and being completely okay with whatever has happened in the past,
right,
and create the completely new, totally right from where we are today.
Perfect.
Whatever you have done, you got the fruit out of it.
Got it.
When I feel I'm incomplete about it, it gives the feel of guilt, blah 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 blah.
No. So it gives you the opportunity to learn.
नहीं, सब जो किया वो ठीक किया है, कोई गलत नहीं किया है।
I can give it to somebody only when I'm able to distinguish it.
I don't want to blame my past. I don't want to come with a complaint.
So
कि मेरे 12 साल गए कि मेरे 40 साल गए।
There is no complaint here. That's a reality, isn't it? Is that a reality in terms of camera? अगर मेरी कोई फोटो खींचता तो 20 years I was in a job. Yes.
So nothing wrong about it.
So I'm not saying wrong or right. I'm just saying, had this action been taken 20 years ago, results would have been different.
Why this conversation, I mean to say?
So I don't remember in what context did I say this. But
we started about the team thing, you know.
Yeah.
How can we make our teams better, or what might be the issue? मतलब how can we
मैं देख रहा हूँ कि अमिताभ जहाँ खड़ा हो गया वहां से लाइन चालू हो गई ना। अमिताभ का जो पास्ट क्या है वो मिस होते हैं।
सर अमिताभ लाइफ में 4 बार खड़ा हुआ था।
बराबर है। तो वी आर ऑल अमिताभ
हुआ था ना 4 बार खड़ा।
हाँ।
और 4 बार वो अलग अलग लेवल पर खड़ा हुआ था।
बराबर है।
ठीक है। अमिताभ ने जिस दिन वो डायलॉग बोला था ना, मैं जहां खड़ा होता हूं, उसको उस डायलॉग के भी पैसे मिले थे। डू यू नो दैट?
यस।
एंड द बेस्ट पीस इज दैट डायलॉग वाज नॉट हिज, किसी और ने लिखा था उसके लिए और उसने सिर्फ बोला था, उसको बोलने के पैसे मिले थे। और हम उसको रियलिटी लेकर चल रहे हैं। आप आज खड़े हो जाओ क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट में, वहां से लाइन खड़ी करके दिखाओ, आप भी अमिताभ बच्चन हो। लेट्स स्टार्ट इट।
कोई भी जगह पे खड़े हो ना, इसे सुनो। मैं कुछ कंपैरिजन नहीं कर रहा हूँ अतुल, मैं कुछ कंपैरिजन नहीं कर रहा हूँ। मैं क्या बोलता हूँ कि we are perfectly okay being complete and let's do something that pleases us, no?
So and also I would like to definitely, Vijay ji, thank you for sharing this. The fact of the matter is that we win whichever game we play. Okay, I'm playing the game that whatsoever I'm doing, I'm happy with it. I will continue to be happy. If I'm playing the game that I want to make money, I'll continue to make money. And if I'm playing the game that I'm not successful, I do whatsoever, I will not be successful. So we've got to decipher this. What game am I playing? What game am I playing? Does that make sense?
Okay.
Tony Robbins plays the game that he's the best coach on this planet. And every time he comes for on the screen, he alters the lives of the people listening to him. Why? Because he is playing that game. So the game that Atul Puri is playing is to empower and enable businesses. Am I leaving you like that? Hello? My question to you. The game I am playing is to empower and enable businesses. You are a business owner. Am I leaving you empowered and enabled?
Mostly.
This conversation have a contributed to you.
Yes, many times.
Today, right now in this conversation.
Yes.
Yes. तो थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, मुझे भी अच्छा लगे कि जी हाँ सही में कंट्रीब्यूट किया.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you. संजीव जी.
Yes, you are contributing.
Amazing. To whom? To you.
To all of us.
Fantastic. Rizwana.
Yeah.
Awesome. Who else? Shefali.
Yes, Atul.
Fantastic. Rajiv Shah.
Yes, sir. I already messaged.
Satya ji.
Oh, yes, and I will repeat your word, awesome.
Awesome. Fantastic.
Awesome.
So there is another gentleman person. So Sri Vidya. Sri Vidya, in today's conversation, have a contributor to your life. Sri Vidya seems to be busy somewhere. Sudha Shetty. Hello. Hello. Vijayanti. Vijayanti. All right. So guys, my take out of this entire conversation is you be clear about what is the game that you are playing in your life. And the moment you are crystal clear about the game you are playing in life, you'll continue to win it every moment. And if you are playing the life of being a Ferrari, you will consistently being on the Formula One track. And if you are playing the game of being a bullock cart, you will continue to be on an unmetalled road all your life. Does this make sense?
Yes. अतुल,
हाँ जी,
कुछ बढ़िया चीज बताना चाहता हूँ.
बताइए.
एक आपके बियास में,
हाँ जी,
जो आपने गोल्फ की बात कही थी ना, लीवरेज में, बराबर ना?
हाँ जी.
तो ये चीज लेके आगे चलते हैं कि यहाँ जितने भी सारे लोग हैं जो फ्यूचर देख रहे हैं, बराबर ना? तो ये फ्यूचर में ई ग्रोथ will make a big difference by allowing them to fulfill their future and their intention, right?
Right.
Another outcome which pleases them and pleases everybody.
Absolutely.
तो एक प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं गोल्फ का, बराबर ना? तो डेली हम गोल्फ खेले.
सर ऑलरेडी बना
नहीं,
रखा
आपने
है.
बढ़िया चालू किया बॉस. आपने बढ़िया चालू किया.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ऑलरेडी बना रखा. आपने उसमें सब्सक्राइब किया?
Yes, yes. Yes.
So Satya ji has already done it, and next month we're starting. Rizwana, when are you going to complete the transaction, and are we doing it next month?
I have my internship, as I told you. It starts from June 1st for 75 days.
Okay, fair enough.
Psychology internship.
Done.
So I can focus on only one thing.
Fair enough.
So that's
so we can definitely do it in the next batch. Not an issue.
Yeah,
all right.
Thank you.
So guys, we are at 10:30. And we can build it from here. Is that fine? So let's close for the day.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
If
you.
this is something which has been worthwhile for you, please send your remarks. And I will also send you a mail. Okay. I'll keep you on the mailing list and keep on sending you some more or whatever comes to my mind so that you remain charged and empowered. Will that be fine?
Great.
All right. Thank you. Bye. And tomorrow we have an introduction to the e-growth at the same time. So if you are somebody who wants to know more about how you can get value out of e-growth, please join us tomorrow. And do invite some more people on the same Zoom ID. And this happens every Thursday, 9:30 to 10:30. All right. And thanks for listening to me. In your space, I become a better person every day. Awesome. Have a great day.